Hi guys, it's Princess M&M here, and today I'm going to be doing a galaxy look for my eyes and my lips. So let's get to the video. First, we're going to be doing foundation. Now, with foundation, you could put it on your eyelids, so... Sorry, that was my assistant. And it's so gross. That stinks in here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to blend it in. Just bounce. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, now that I'm done with that, it's time to go to our eyeshadow. Okay, first I'm going to grab this palette. I'm going to take a brush with a tiny tip. And all of it's shimmery because I'm doing a galaxy look. Then I'm going to go in with a dark pink. And then afterwards, I'm going to blend it all in, and it's going to be so pretty. So, yeah. Now I'm going to go in with a light pink. So now, I'm going to go in with the purple color. Alright. It's time to go back to tiny brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit of black since we don't want it to be pitch black. Since black is a super pigment color. And also I'm going to use these two. But that's at the end of the video. Now it's time to use this. I'm going to show you what is next. Okay, now that I'm done with that, and when this dries, I'm going to put this on. For now, I'm going to be using this color, this palette, all three of these pinks. Alright. Hi. Since I think I put too much. First that color, then this color, then that color. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now it's time to put the lip gloss on. I want to show you how metallic it is. The camera can't really show you. Now it's time to do my lips. Now let me just zoom in. Ooh. Okay, I think that's too close. Alright, that's good. Ooh, look how shiny it makes it. Okay, and then you're going to apply it on your lips. You should put some on your finger so it sticks. That will hold on your lips. Which I'm just using eyeshadow, but it's good for lips also. So I'm just going to dab it on. Okay, and now it's time to do my highlighter. Don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to like all my videos.